Hey, Kevin Lawrence here. Today I want to talk a little bit about the amazing things that talent can do. One of my clients recently, we just had our annual planning session in January, and we went through and reviewed the whole talent in the organization as part of the top grading methodology. The key is to take a look at what you call your greatest asset, your talent, and do a full review of the talent every quarter. When we finished this exercise and we're going through it, and for the first time ever, and they're the only one I've ever seen do this, hit 91% of their key players being A players. Now, an A player is somebody who lives your core values, naturally fits the culture, but also consistently delivers exceptional results. They deliver as expected, and often or regularly, they'll even deliver more or better than you thought. So 91%, 9 out of 10 people were exceptional. So the really cool part is they had just been through a crazy year where it was very, very busy. And they were short-staffed about 10%. Based on the volume of work that they had to do in the company, 10%. And even being 10% short, a few people had to work a bit extra hard, but it was not near as crazy as you would expect because they had a room and a company full of talented people, exceptional people. And as a side note, most companies run at 25 to 30% A players when we start the process. So pretty inspiring, pretty awesome. The best I'd seen before was 74% A players in a company that was a little bit bigger. So something for you to aspire to. So if you want to learn more about how you can take and build a team of exceptional talent, and we look at this like building an NHL caliber hockey team versus a local rec team that you might find at your local rec center. If you're serious about building those great teams, let us know. We can help. We got a workshop coming up to teach the top grading methodology, which is one of the tools this firm used to get there. Have an awesome week.